Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Here I am going to explain the problems on Coutts and Manning's formula. In the previous class, we have discussed the empirical formulas, means Coutts and Manning's formulas, and also we have seen the simple problems on Coutts and Manning's formula. In this class, also I am going to explain the simple problems on Coutts and Manning's formula for different sections, rectangular and channel sections. Here we have seen the problem on rectangular section. An open channel of rectangular cross section 6 meters deep and 9 meters wide, while the slope of the bed is 1 in 1000. What will be the discharging capacity of the canal if n is equal 0.0293 in the Coutts formula? So he asked the calculate the discharge capacity of the canal, and also he has given breadth of the canal, depth of the canal, and bed slope of the canal. So let's go for the solution. So he has given b is equal 9 meters and d is equal 6 meters, and bed slope I is equal 1 in 1000 becomes 0.001, and n is equal 0.0293. N means here constant. Manning's n is the Coutts constant. So here first of all you have to calculate the area of a rectangular section. So breadth area is equal to breadth into depth. So then it will becomes 9 into 6 is equal to 54 meter square, and weighted perimeter is equal of a rectangular section is equal p is equal b plus 2 into d. So it becomes 21 meters. So the hydraulic mean depth, it is a ratio of a by p. Here we can get the value is 2.57 meters. So then the discharge through the canal, we know that q is equal area into velocity. Here velocity is equal c into under root mi. When we have to substitute the above values in this formula, we can get that values. Here we can get the discharge is equal 110.9 meter cube per second. The discharge through the canal or rectangular section, the discharge is equal 110.9 meter cube per second. Next, let's go for the next problem. A trapezoidal channel of 5 meters wide at the bottom, 5 meters wide at the bottom, and 1.5 meters deep, discharge 1500 liters per second. The slide slopes are 2 horizontal, 1 vertical. Given n for the channel surface as 0.03, find the longitudinal slope. Means he has asked here I value is how much. So he has given that values are breadth is equal 5 meters, depth is equal 1.5 meters, q is equal 1500 liters per second. In terms of meter cube per second is 1.5 cubic meter per second. So n is equal 2. Here we can see the figure of trapezoidal channel section. 1.5 meters depth, 5 meters breadth, 2 horizontal, 1 vertical. So area of a trapezoidal channel section becomes b plus n into d. Already we derived in the previous class. So the area of a rectangular channel section, trapezoidal channel section becomes 12 meters square. So the weighted perimeter of a trapezoidal channel section p is equal b plus 2d into under root 1 plus n square. So when we substitute the above values in this formula, you can get 11.71 meters. So the hydraulic mean depth, it is the ratio of a by p. Here we can get the value of hydraulic mean depth, m is equal 1.024 meters. So the discharge, the relation between the longitudinal slope and discharge, the formula becomes q is equal a into 1 by n into m power 2 by 3 into I power 1 by 2. This is the relation between the slope, longitudinal slope and discharge. So then when we substitute the above values in this formula, we will get the discharge. The slope is equal 1 in 600, 1 in 900. Here we can get the I value is equal 0.006. Here this is the longitudinal slope of a trapezoidal section. Okay, thank you everyone.